Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Muhammad Najmi Ben Sohaimi from DBS 3A, and my metric number is 23DBS19F1023. Today, I'd like to talk to you about smartwatch from Samsung that is called Galaxy Watch Active 2. I will explain about features, characteristic, function, comparison, and benefit about this product. The features of this product: this Galaxy Watch Active 2 is also water resistant up to 50 meter for 10 minutes and can be used to track longer activities in shallow water like swimming. For screen display, this smartwatch 1.1 inch for 40mm model and 1.4 inch for model 44mm, 360 pixel resolution Super AMOLED protection screen from Gorilla Glass DX+. Let's now turn to characteristic. This model, Galaxy Watch Active 2, available two size, 40mm and 44mm. Connectivity LTE option, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC to connect at your phone. The next part is function. This running smartwatch trainer function gives you actionable advice in real time, and the best part, you can indeed make phone call from your wrist, provided that your smartwatch is connected with your phone through Bluetooth. I would like to compare between Galaxy Watch Active 2 and Apple Watch Series 5. Battery capacity, Galaxy Watch Active 2 is 340 mAh. Storage capacity for this smartwatch, only 4GB internal storage and 1.5GB RAM. And the last part is benefit. This smartwatch keeping automatic workout tracking, GPS, frequent heart rate monitoring, and always on display turn on the watch. This smartwatch was good for 2-day battery life. I hope you enjoy listening my talk about this smartwatch. Thank you.
Good afternoon, media and my friend. My name is Muhammad Amir Izzuddin bin Kasturi and my metric number 23DBS19F1049. Today I will talk about a smartwatch from Apple called Apple Watch Series 5. First of all, product information is watch that can communicate without a phone. Next, can have conversation and can use as a sport time without a phone. Secondly, features of the product is fitness, healthy, thinking, cat and quiet, and Apple Watch with a sport group made with a specific fluoroelastomer. Aside from the use of the apps, one of the most exciting things about the new watch is the functionality of the app as a whole. The third is characteristic. This model has a 1.1 inch display for other smartwatch application and function. In addition, the battery has increased to 296 mAh compared to the 291.8 mAh model in the Apple Watch Series 4. Next is that has waterproof up to 50 meter. That the Apple Watch is designed with the swimmer in mind. This watch function has an app to keep an eye on your heart and check your heart rate quickly and get notified when it's look too high or too low. In addition, can reply to conversation in the watch and can pick up the call. I want a comparison between the Apple Watch and the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Apple Watch have long been among the best fitness you can buy, which the ECG sensor cleared by the FDA Apple Watch Series 5. Compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, Samsung continue to use its own ECG sensor, but the Galaxy Watch Active 2 features do not work yet. Finally, Apple Watch Series 5 monitor your heart throughout the day, so you can check your heartbeat at any time and monitor your heart performance. Will Galaxy Watch Active 2 feel better on your wrist than the Active 1? The upgrade running trainer will as long as you can handle Bixby's voice. I hope it can benefit you with speech about the product.